Namaskar. Myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today date is 28 February 2025. We'll start with the current weather prevailing. As you all aware that during 24 to 28 February, that is today, the winter season's most active western disturbance is severely impacted weather across North India with the formation of induced low pressure on 28th February. So during this month, there are a total of 7 number of WDs were observed against the normal of 5 to 6 WDs, which is the normal for this February month. And although most WDs moved in quick succession, not having sufficient moisture incursion and hence only caused with light rainfall or snowfall over western Himalaya region, except this current western disturbance which is affecting those regions during 24 to 28 February 2025. The system was under constant surveillance by IMD, and heavy rainfall snowfall warning for western Himalaya region was predicted on 20th February with a special bulletin issued regularly for severe weather from 22nd February onwards. So this WD caused rainfall or snowfall at most places with heavy to very heavy rainfall with extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places over Jammu, and then heavy to very heavy rainfall snowfall at isolated places over Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Also light to moderate rainfall observed at most places with heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over North Punjab, and light to moderate rainfall observed at many places over Haryana and Chandigarh. Apart from that, light to moderate rainfall snowfall was also observed at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, light to moderate rainfall observed at few places over Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, and isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya. Under this western disturbance, the rainfall or snowfall observed at most places with heavy to very heavy rainfall with extremely heavy rainfalls at isolated places over Jammu, heavy to very heavy rainfall and snowfall at isolated places over Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over North Punjab, and light to moderate rainfall observed at many places over Haryana and Chandigarh. And the major rainfall recorded over Jammu division in Udhampur district, where Udhampur 21 centimeter, Batote which is in district Ramban is on 16 centimeter, Katra district Riasi is 12 centimeter, Banihal is 10 centimeter, in district Riasi is 9 centimeter, and then apart from that, Himachal Pradesh, Kothi in Kullu district reported 13 centimeter, Shivbagh 12 centimeter, Khatrala in Shimla district 11 centimeter, Bhuntar in Kullu district 11 centimeter, and Banjar, Joginder Nagar, Saloni all 11 centimeters, and Palampur 10 centimeter, and Chamba also 10 centimeter, Rampur is also 10 centimeter, and then in Uttarakhand, Devprayag 9 centimeter, Tehri 9 centimeter, Joshimath 8 centimeter, and Punjab, Pathankot reported 12 centimeter of rainfall, and that Ranjit Sagar dam site was reported 8 centimeter, Madhupur reported 7 centimeter. So apart from that, in other regions of country, so we'll move on to that. So light to moderate rainfall snowfall observed at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, light to moderate rainfall observed at few places over Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, and at isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal and Kerala and Mahe. Also, thunderstorm with lightning reported at isolated places over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Also, hailstorm recorded at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir, and then gusty wind observed at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and North Punjab. Heat wave conditions observed at isolated places over Konkan and coastal Karnataka, and also hot and humid weather conditions observed at isolated places over Konkan. And now we'll see the maximum temperature recorded yesterday. So maximum temperature were markedly above normal 5 degrees centigrade or more at isolated places over East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh, Saurashtra and Kutch, Arunachal Pradesh, and appreciably above normal 3 to 5 degrees centigrade at many places over Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, and at isolated places over Jharkhand, Vidarbha, above normal 1 degree centigrade to 3 degrees centigrade at remaining places over North and Central India. During past 24 hours, maximum temperatures have fallen over entire northwest India with marked fall greater than 5 degrees centigrade at isolated places over Jammu, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab and Haryana. Yesterday, the highest maximum temperature at of 39.8 degree centigrade was reported at Kannur airport. Now we'll see the maximum temperature scenario. Maximum temperatures were in the range of 35 to 40 degrees centigrade at most places over Maharashtra state, Gujarat state, Kerala, and at few places over North Interior Karnataka, at isolated places over Madhya Pradesh, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Yanam and Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal, 30 to 35 degrees centigrade at many places over central India, Odisha, South Interior Karnataka, at a few places over South Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, and Gangetic West Bengal, at isolated places over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. And if you see its departure from the normal, so they were maximum temperatures were markedly above normal, 5 degrees centigrade or more at isolated places over East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh, Saurashtra and Kutch, Arunachal Pradesh, and they were appreciably above normal by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade at many places over Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, and at isolated places over Jharkhand, Vidarbha above normal 1 degree centigrade to 3 degrees centigrade at remaining places over north to central India. During past 24 hours, maximum temperature has fallen over entire northwest India with marked fall greater than 5 degrees centigrade at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab and Haryana. Yesterday, the highest maximum temperature of 39.8 degrees centigrade was reported at Kannur airport. Now we'll see the minimum temperature scenario. So minimum temperatures were in the range of 14 degrees centigrade to 19 degrees centigrade at many places over Punjab, East Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Marathwada, 19 degrees centigrade to 24 degrees centigrade at many places over Gujarat, Maharashtra and Gangetic West Bengal. Today the lowest minimum temperature of 11.5 degrees centigrade is reported at Nahan over the plains of the country. Now we'll see the synoptic system prevailing over our region. The western disturbance now run as a trough in lower to upper tropospheric levels with its axis at 3.1 km above mean sea level, roughly along longitude 59 degree east to the north of latitude 26 degree north. Also, there is a divergence of the order 30 to 40 into 10 to power minus 6 per second in the forward sector of the trough over northwest India. Under the influence of this, the cyclonic circulation over northwest Rajasthan, an induced low pressure area has formed over west Rajasthan and adjoining parts of Pakistan, and an associated cyclonic circulation extends up to 1.5 km above mean sea level. And a trough now runs from this above system over West Rajasthan and adjoining parts of Pakistan to northern parts of Madhya Maharashtra across Gujarat at 0.9 km above mean sea level. Also, a cyclonic circulation lies over northeast Assam and adjoining Arunachal Pradesh at 3.1 km above mean sea level. Also, a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from 2nd March night. Highlights of the presentation: due to active western disturbance, ongoing isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall, snowfall spell likely to continue over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and isolated heavy rainfall and snowfall over Jammu Kashmir today, the 28th February 2025, and then it will be reducing significantly thereafter. Also, thunderstorm accompanied with hailstorm and gusty winds likely over northern parts of Punjab, Haryana and West Uttar Pradesh, with isolated heavy rainfall over Punjab is likely today, 28th February, and then it will be reducing significantly thereafter. And now we'll see the forecast of temperature during next 5 days. First, maximum temperatures. No significant change in maximum temperatures likely over northwest India during next 24 hours, and then gradual rise by 4 to 6 degrees centigrade. Then gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrades likely over central India during next 3 to 4 days, and then gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over East India during next 2 days, and no significant change thereafter. Gradual fall in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over Gujarat state during next 2 days, and no significant change thereafter. No significant change in maximum temperature likely over rest part of the country during next 4 to 5 days. Now the forecast for minimum temperature. So gradual fall in minimum temperatures by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade likely over northwest India during next 3 days, and then there is no significant change thereafter. Apart from that, there is no significant change in minimum temperature scenario over rest part of the India during next 4 to 5 days. Now we'll see the subdivision wise weather warning for day 1. So heavy to very heavy rainfall is warning given for Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and heavy rainfall and snowfall warning is given at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir, also over Punjab, North Sikkim and Tamil Nadu. and the thunderstorm accompanied with gusty winds, that is around speed with 40 to 50 km per hour, and hailstorm and lightning over very likely at isolated places over Uttarakhand with gusty winds 40 to 50 km per hour and lightning at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh with gusty winds of speeds 30 to 40 km per hour, and then hailstorm and lightning at isolated places over North Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and West Uttar Pradesh with gusty winds of speeds 30 to 40 km per hour, and then lightning at isolated places over West Rajasthan, Bihar and Kerala, and with lightning at isolated places over East Uttar Pradesh, East Rajasthan, North Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, and Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal. So heat wave conditions very likely in isolated pockets of coastal Karnataka, along with hot and humid conditions very likely at isolated pockets of Konkan and Goa. Also squally weather with wind speed 35 km to 45 km per hour, gusting with to 55 km likely to prevail over Gulf of Mannar and adjoining Comorin area along and off South Tamil Nadu coast is also warning is given, and fishermen advised not to venture into these areas. For day 2, the heavy rainfall warning is given for Arunachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala and Mahe, and then thunderstorm warning accompanied with gusty wind of speeds 40 to 50 km with hailstorm and lightning very likely at isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya is given with gusty winds of speeds 30 to 40 km with and lightning at isolated places over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and Kerala and Mahe, with hailstorm at isolated places over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura with lightning at isolated places over Uttar Pradesh, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and then in southern Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal and Lakshadweep. And then hot and humid conditions warning is given at isolated places over pockets of coastal Karnataka. And then for date 3, that is 2nd March, thunderstorm warning is given along with lightning at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, Kerala, Mahe and Lakshadweep, and hot and humid condition warning is given at coastal Karnataka. And then for day 4, that is 3rd March, heavy rainfall warning is given over Jammu and Kashmir, and then thunderstorm with lightning warning is given at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and West Uttar Pradesh, and also hot and humid conditions likely to continue over Konkan, which is again the hot and humid conditions over Konkan is likely to continue over the day 5, that is 4th March again, and for day 6 and 7 there is no significant weather warning given. For more detail you can log on to mosam.imd.gov.in. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.